What's up everyone? So today we've come to the famous ancient city, Bagan, pretty much the most famous attraction here in Myanmar by far. And we're just starting our day off at this cool lunch place. We ate here yesterday, we thought it was good, so we decided to come here again. You can see it's this really quiet place made out of wood, pretty chilled. Nobody here at all right now. We're actually surprised by how quiet Bagan is, right?
Yeah, we thought it would be crowded, but it's not.
This is the restaurant we've come to here. I'm not even sure what the name is, so I'm going for the vegetable cheeseburger that comes with fries, and that's 3,000. What did you get?
Fish, Myanmar style.
Myanmar style fish. How much is that?
2,300.
2,300?
Yeah.
Okay. So how much was that?
5,000.
5,000? Is that called e-bike or e-scooter?
E-bike.
E-bike. Okay to drive?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's a bit different from a scooter, but I think it's okay.
So we're just gonna head into the main archaeological zone now and explore Bagan. Alright, so we've stopped off at our first pagoda. So for those of you that don't know, this is what Bagan is. It's basically over 2,000 pagodas spread out. There's no real main area. You can just walk around, cycle around or scooter around like us, and you'll just see this like sea of pagodas everywhere you go, and you can just choose which pagoda you want to see. You can pretty much walk around them all. So there are some really popular ones that we'll probably check out, but you can also just check out just these random ones like we're doing now, empty. So this is the first one that we've stopped off at. You can already see it does look pretty cool already. So you can't go in a lot of them anymore to preserve them. Apparently in the past you could access the inside of them all, but yeah, that's not the case anymore. But we are going to be able to go inside quite a few either way. So you got some remains of destroyed pagodas here. Check the insides of this one here. So as you can see, the Buddha statue no longer exists. You do have some other ones though that haven't been destroyed. Little ones. Not this one, the headless Buddha. So I think all these rocks are remains of other pagodas. It looks like the same kind of brick anyway. Let's see what's inside these ones. So we have been taking off our shoes or flip-flops like you're supposed to. And yeah, another Buddha obviously. Alright, for those of you that watch my channel, you'll know that I've never ridden a scooter before. It's always Carol. And I do actually want to learn that so that I can start riding. So yeah, this might be a good start. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a go. It's really responsive, right?
Yeah.
Like just a little bit on the accelerator. Alright, let's try.
Be careful.
Yeah. Alright, you wanna hop on?
No, I'm not sure.
Not sure. So we've entered yet another huge pagoda, huge temple, and yeah, once again we're able to walk around. There was a Buddha back there, a statue. I don't even know how I'm going to do this video because there's just so many. I obviously can't film every single one that we enter. I'll just have to show you the best bits or something. Look at the size of this statue here. Biggest one so far. I was just saying I don't know how to do a video in Bagan because there's too many things to see.
You'd have to do 3 videos.
Yeah, yeah, crazy. We're in a really cool part now. You can see the walls have all the designs partially preserved, but yeah, you can see the drawings a lot more than the other places that we went to before. So you're still able to see the drawings quite clearly. Pretty worn out, but yeah, you can kind of tell what it was. On the ceiling as well, you can see what the patterns would have been like. And on this wall as well, some really cool ancient art. So I might as well tell you some more information about this place. I did a bit of reading about it last night. So from the 9th to the 13th century, this was the capital of the Bagan kingdom, and that was the first kingdom to unify all the places that are now Myanmar. So yeah, they basically established kind of like the territory of modern Myanmar. And from the 11th to the 13th century, they actually built 10,000 pagodas. So there would have been 10,000 pagodas, temples here. But obviously with time, a lot of them got damaged, and that's why you've only got over 2,000 now. So it already looks pretty insane as we're walking around, the amount, but imagine with 10,000, all those extra ones. Must have been crazy. This area is prone to earthquakes. There's been loads of earthquakes, so that is how a lot of them have been damaged, unfortunately. I think even in recent history, there's been a lot of damage to them. But yeah, still amazing, and still so many preserved ones as well. Traffic jam. Go traffic jam. Alright, yet another really cool one. Damayazika Pagoda. Put our shoes here. Yep. Check out the entrance of this one. Yeah, this is definitely one of the coolest ones we've seen. Look at that. Got this cool pillar here as well, golden red pillar. Yeah, this might be one of the coolest angles of this pagoda right here. That's one of the good things about Bagan. All the pagodas are completely different to the last one that you visit. So you're gonna see all different kinds of like architecture and mixtures. So yeah, each one is so interesting. Alright, we've now come to what is probably going to be our last stop of the day. This awesome temple here. I think it's called Damayangi Temple. No idea how you pronounce that. And here is supposed to have some good spots for the sunset. That's what we read anyway, so we'll see if we can find it. Very huge temple though. Probably one of the biggest ones that we've seen today. So we came to this hill here. Quite a few people have come here. Seems like a pretty good sunset spot, but we got an hour, so we might try and find a better one, I think. But from this hill you definitely get an awesome view of the temple. And it is a pretty good spot because you can see all the different temples in the background there. Got a big one here. And then the sun should be going down pretty soon, in an hour like I said. But you can see quite a few. Alright, so we finally found a temple that we could climb up that was open. So if you look down here, we're on the roof right now. It's pretty much overgrown here, so it looks like an abandoned temple. Up these steps, there was no gate or anything, so yeah, an awesome find. Look at all the other temples out here. That's one of the watchtowers that they built, kind of ugly, but people go there for the sunset view. And yeah, we're surrounded by pagodas right now, so we just got to be careful here. We made it at the top. Not sure why this one was open, but like I said, no gates, so yeah, I guess people come up this one. Hard to see against the sun right now, but yeah, I think we're gonna get some amazing views here. down we go. We're heading out now on the scooter before it gets dark, and tomorrow we're going to wake up really early at 5 AM. We're going to wake up to catch the sunrise, and we'll see how it compares to the sunset. Maybe it will be even better, I don't know, but we'll find out. So if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.